My name is Jeremy. I am the 5th generation on this farm operation. I got it just a little bit dirty. So this is the bed of Project 2020. That's what I'm calling it. It's a hay loader truck. It's upside down right now, obviously. Got a little more welding to do. I need to do a lot of wire wheeling and grinding to get her cleaned up. But I hope to be painting by the end of this week. Here's the frame on the truck. Cylinders, hydraulic cylinders should be in today. We can start piecing this baby together. Mom and Dad are leaving on vacation Friday morning, but as long as we get the welding and the heavy work done, I should be able to paint and assemble without Dad here. So that's my goal. I'd like to think by the end of next week, I should have her together. I've got some other things that gotta happen in the next week, some birdseed, things like that. But I'm kind of excited about this project, and I can't wait to show you the finished project. So. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna take a break. I eat a peanut butter and apple butter, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter honey, whatever we got every day about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Alright, so I guess it's time for a little bit of explanation. So what we're doing is trying to make our hay operation more efficient. We have a New Holland hay truck that picks up the bales as we drive through the field and puts them in a stack, makes a stack of 158 bales. Then I drive the truck home here to the farm, tip the stack up in the barn, pull away from it and head back to the field and start picking up. It's really good, really efficient, but the one problem is that I have all of that time driving back and forth. Depending on the distance away from the farm, you're talking about a half an hour potentially for each load of just driving. And that's a big deal when it only takes 20 minutes to make a load and then a half hour to drive it home. It really limits the amount of hay that we can do in a day. And it's really kind of rough on that truck to do all that road time. Those tires aren't cheap. So what we're doing is we're taking this truck and we're modifying the bed and putting a hoist on it so that when I pick up in the field with the other truck, the bales will be stacked against the pallet on the rack, and then I'll tip up the whole stack in the field on the pallet, and then this truck will back in and pick the pallet up and drive it back here to the farm, stack it up, and head back to the field. That whole time, I'll still be at the field picking up bales, or Dad will be at the field picking up bales, and I'll be driving this truck. However, that'll work. But the idea is to take out that road time for that truck by using this truck. And then also, it should save manual labor when I go to deliver hay, because I can just back into the barn, grab a stack, and head to a customer's. So that's the idea. This is the process. the bed set down on there. My camera fell over on me. But the bed's on there now. I just got the pin in. I'm gonna unchain it, pull it back in the barn and hook up the hydraulic cylinders. All right, I've got it on. Got the pin in. Got the pins in the cylinders. Ready to take a trial run here. There we go. Max height by the cylinders. They just hit top. That's about perfect. It leans back just slightly, which is what we were going for. That is a beautiful thing. All right, we got some more work to do. Hopefully in a few days we'll be testing it again with hay on it.